Welcome to Kahuna Trading. We're looking at the euro and we're about a week back. And so we're going to let it run and just kind of take a look at the last week and see how it runs and see where we are in relation to the past week. So let's let it go. We're in the 2460 area. This is an interesting test for Kahuna EA and for me, because I never look at the euro. I briefly decided to see if I wanted to trade it last year for a week or so, and then that's all I looked at it. I always look at the GBP pairs, and so anyway, I'm not familiar with this, and it's probably a good thing because I can't just go from my understanding of this pair. I have to go from what Kahuna is telling me, and so we're low, although this pair is so bearish, right? So we would probably want to wait until we got higher. Now, we could try going long here, and I'll put a line in just for fun. Now, here would be our trade in here. Be our stop loss. I might as well put in a trade here just for fun. Our stop loss would be considerably further down, outside here, either here or slightly outside. Our trade would be at the white line, and then if we wanted to Marty, we would Marty somewhere down in here, do a martingale, add to the trade. Here we'll start with like a quarter position. Already we're having to adjust here a little bit. Let's crank it up a bit here. So right now, if we Marty added another quarter position, that would put us halfway between, if we were down here, not right now. We have to be careful when you do that. You have to do it when the price is low. So we didn't adjust, we didn't do anything, and we're in the money now, right? So how far in the money are we? We went from 46 to 80 up into this zone, right? Now, granted, there was some shakeout, there was some trouble, and it wasn't pretty the whole time. No, it wasn't a perfect entry. It did have some drawdown. It had considerable drawdown, almost 50 pips. But then the reward. About 30, 35 pips maybe. So maybe not good risk to reward ratio, but anyway, we'll leave it run. We're just trying to get a feel for where the market is for right now. So this week we'll be able to assess where we're going here. So our trade is still positive. And we have support here, we have support down here. So we could have done it again. Right there. Okay, so now we're up pretty high. We could have shorted that other one, by the way, and things are clipping along real fast here. 26, we're getting closer to Friday, the weekend, 27th, Thanksgiving. My guess is the US is doing pretty well, and so this is doing not so well, and so, but once the holidays pass, and probably during the holidays, we'll see some volatility, a little bit, because it's going to have to warm up to larger volatility, although I guess it doesn't have to do anything, but tends to do that a little bit before things turn around, because they're trying to shake everybody out. So we buying again? You know, it only takes $1 to get in on this one, so if you find a decent entry, you could make some money there. No, maybe not 1,000,000 pips, but some, depending on your risk. So we're moving through Thursday. Since I don't know much about this pair, I probably would prefer to take a look at weekly, daily, H4. Excuse me. I've been working on Christmas cards here. So, anyway, no, not a lot of profit from here, but some. 66 to 84, it's not bad. If we got in there somewhere around there, even 72 to 84 is still, actually it's got to 96 up there, so it's pretty good. Let's see, it's almost 9 p.m. Thanksgiving there, and so it's probably kind of quiet. Let's crank it up a little bit here. This is Friday now, isn't it? Yeah, Friday. 7 a.m., 8 a.m. That's all she wrote? Oh, wow. That went fast. Those last couple candles went real quick there. Alright. Well, so that's all she wrote here. So now I can't quite adjust things right here because if I do, we won't get another tick, and that's it won't update our values. So we kind of have to sit where we are. So we're kind of middling. We're on the low side. We're kind of hanging in this range here. Yeah, it could be a little tough to assess at this point. So we're not at an extreme, so we probably don't want to be jumping in right away. Plus, you can't do it on Sunday anyway till after 5 o'clock at least, because the spreads are too expensive, too costly. So anyway, well, so that was our assessment for the past week. Probably could have done better on an M5 chart. I think it's easier, but I think this is popular to try to work with the M15, so that's why we decided to go with this one first. So anyway, that's our week in review on the euro. It'll improve. We'll have more details pretty soon here too. So we're hoping to get the other EAs wrapped up and available to everyone. So anyway, so that's it for the euro for the past week. Peace, love, and Kahuna.